If you want to change lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, all you have to do is first of all we need to go to settings, then we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna go to wallpaper and style, and you can either tap on the lock screen and then go to wallpapers over here. In some cases, if you have one of these default wallpapers, you also have different variations to choose from, but you can also go to change wallpapers in here. So let's go here and let's say we're gonna choose one of these options. Let's go to featured maybe, and let's say I'm gonna use this wallpaper. And if I want to use it only for the lock screen, then I just have to uncheck home screen and just leave the lock screen selected over here. Proceed by pressing next. In this case, we cannot really adjust much, but in some cases you can zoom in, zoom out, change the position of the wallpaper by moving around, and so on and so forth. Sometimes at the bottom we have some additional options. In this case, as you can see, we don't have anything, unfortunately. But then we can press down over here in the top right corner in order to save the wallpaper, and as you can see, we have a different wallpaper in the lock screen, whereas the one in the home screen is still the same. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.